Okay, so let's look at C. So we're still solving these exponential functions or equations. In C, it's a little bit different because now I have this extra plus 3. So always remember that when you're solving equations with extra terms, before you worry about simplifying your exponents or using logs to solve, get a single term on both sides of the equation. So I'm going to write that down. Always get a single term on both sides of the equal, both sides of the equation. It ran out of room, sorry. Before we simplify. That's a hard word to spell. Simplifying. Okay, so in C, what that means for us is that plus 3, let's move it over. So I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. And that gives me 5 on the right side. And then, before I do anything else, I want to get that e, because that's my exponential term. I want to get that e by itself, meaning, let's get rid of that 5. So I'm going to divide, since it's 5 times e, I'm going to divide both sides by 5. And that leaves me with e to the power of 1 minus 2x is equal to 1. All right, let me ask you a quick question now. If our goal is to get two terms where the bases are the same so that I can set the exponents equal to each other, and on the left side of the equation I have e, on the right side of the equation I have 1. So e to what power equals 1? You are correct, because I assume you said 0. E to the 0 equals 1. So what I'm actually going to do is rewrite that 1 as e to the 0. And now I can use this rule. So I set 1 minus 2x equal to 0. Solve for x. Subtract 1 from both sides. Negative 2x is equal to a minus 1. Divide both sides by a negative 2 to get x by itself. Those negatives will cancel, and I'm left with x equal to a positive 1/2. Now I feel like that deserves an exclamation point.